Yes, please.
We just completed the course with the physical hands-on today, and it was a very good experience. I would like to thank Care, and it was a very educative thing. Not having too much knowledge about podiatry, they were very kind enough to explain in detail uh, for the doubts that I had. And I also realized that there's so many procedures, so many surgeries which happen, which can be avoided with the right intervention. If you meet the right podiatrist and get the right help, get the right therapies, a lot of problems, if diagnosed early, can prevent a lot of unnecessary surgical intervention, which is a wonderful thing. And all doctors and all healthcare workers should realize the value of this and work towards non-invasive methods of to aim in doing, and they're doing a wonderful job. And I came here because of my interest in lasers and wanted to see how to integrate lasers with foot care. I learned a lot and I'm grateful to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.